The number one priority is to protect our client's criminal record, but there are other things that you have to take into consideration. Now, besides jail or jail alternatives that we'll talk about later, there are other consequences that you have to be aware of before you take a plea. For instance, in driving offenses, your license can be suspended or revoked. In sex or sex-related offenses, there are three levels of sex registration, and these are going to determine where you live and where you work. There are fines and penalties that you could get that will result in automatic judgments. In addition, for those that are placed on probation, there are certain conditions and requirements. One, they could give you alcohol and drug conditions where you can't even visit a bar for the next 3 years. There could be mandatory anger management classes. You could also be directed to go to mandatory counseling, such as psychiatric or an inpatient rehabilitation. So you really have to be careful and be aware of all the circumstances before you take a plea.